Internal CSS demystified styling within your HTML document. So this is day 8. Hello CSS enthusiast, it's Krishna Sharma from Kredict and today is day 8 of our CSS journey. If you are ready to level up your styling game, hit subscribe. In today's video, we are unrevealing the magic of internal CSS. A powerful way to keep your styles close to your HTML. Let's dive in. So before we jump into internal CSS, let's quickly recap what we have covered in the last video, where we explored the ease and convenience of applying styles directly within our HTML using inline CSS. If you missed it, check it out for some quick styling tips. So, introduction to internal CSS. Internal CSS takes us a step further by allowing us to include our styles within the HTML document itself. It's a fantastic way to keep styles organized and maintain a close relationship between your CSS and HTML. Let's get started with the basics. So let's see the syntax of internal CSS. The syntax is straightforward. We use the style tag within the head section of our HTML document. Let's take a look at quick example. Here we have an example. First we have to make a HTML file, and in the HTML file we will use the emit power, and here we have a first we write in the title internal CSS, and here we have a first we have a HTML, then in the HTML we have head tag, and in the head tag we will use style tag. So in the style tag we can write all the CSS what we want to apply on this body. So here in the body we are making h1 tag and writing credit, and in the style if you want to style heading then just give one h1, and here we will give the properties and value. So first I want to just go like this page. You can see here credit is printing in the black color text. So if I want to change the color of h1, so we will just give h1 and color red. So here you can see, so h1 is just dot so you can see here the h1 tag is red. So if I want to give some properties, text align center, so text will be in the center. So you are getting, I hope you are getting this. So if I give a class box, and in the box if I want to write anything like hello, and if we want to change the properties of box, like here we have a box class, so dot box, and here we will give a height of 200 pixel and width of 200 pixel. So for the visual we will give a background color, like we will giving a background color brown. So you can see here we have a box with 200 pixel, you can see. So if I want to change the, so if I want to center this box, so we will give some properties like margin left 300 pixel. You can see the box is moving. So if I give 500 pixel, see the now box is in center. I hope you are getting this. So here we have this example. Let's see this example. Just copy this and paste it in the index.html. You can see we have the welcome to Kredict, and here we have the h1 tag, and in the body in the h1 tag we are giving text and color. I hope you are getting this. So let's see the benefits of internal CSS. So first is keeps styles close to HTML for better organization, allow for consistent styling across multiple pages within a website. So when to use internal CSS? Internal CSS shines in situation where you want to maintain a balance between simplicity of inline CSS and organization of external style sheet. So in the upcoming video, we will also see the external CSS and the difference between inline, internal and external CSS. It's particularly useful for a small to medium sized project, because in the big size project we will using the external CSS in the very small project we use inline CSS. This is for medium sized project. So if internal CSS unlocking new possibilities for your styling workflow, hit like and share your thought in the comment. Subscribe for more daily CSS insights. Tomorrow we will explore another exciting dimension of CSS, so stay tuned. Thanks for joining me on day 8. I am Krishna Sharma from Kredict, signing off. Keep coding, keep designing, and I will see you in the next video.